Okay, what I have in front of me is the Wella Professionals Stay Essential Hairspray. It says light crafting. I was gonna say light crafting hairspray, and the level is number 2, so it doesn't have your hair like really crunchy and hard and stuff. One of the hairdressers that I had in the past used this on my head after when she curled my hair, and it looked good. And it was a special going on, so see this for free. What she did was like after when she curled my hair, and after when it was like finished, like I noticed sometimes like some stylists may spray this on before they use the heating tools. I wouldn't really recommend that. I don't know. I feel like you should use that afterwards to hold style in place. But that's what she did. After when she did my style and the curls, she kind of like combed it out, like waved it out a little bit, and then she sprayed this on. And what she also told me that I could do is that I can spray this on my comb and comb it, and it'll still have like that holding curl motion swoop that she did to my hair. When I used it, I mean, hairspray to me it's sticky a little bit, so I didn't use a lot of it, and it didn't really leave my hair hard, like crunchy, like some hairsprays that I've used in the past. My hair crunchy, left product in it, just felt nasty, just sticky and just nasty. But anyway, this hairspray didn't really do that, even though I don't really use a lot of it. But yeah, I know they have different levels. I believe they have one all the way here, but so I was like, no, you don't need that. Just go and stick with this one. Okay, so I'm gonna go further in with the hairspray on the details and the ingredients and how to use. So right here for the details, and then they also have a video of how to use the spray and what you gotta do. So if you like something physical rather than like reading it, then they also have a video of what to do, of how to use it. I'm not sure if I can play it because I don't know if that's allowed if you're playing someone else's video on your video, but anyway. But you can look up Wella Professionals, the light crafting spray, hairspray, to see, you know, how the stylist is working the spray in her hair, and then how to use. So yeah, the ingredients, how to use, and what I was supposed to. Okay, and the details. So yeah, that's just giving you a little bit more information on, you know, what's in it and how to use it. But like I said before, if you don't necessarily like reading how to use it, and you want to see more of see more in depth of actually the person using it and how they use it on someone else's hair, they have videos that you can look up to work your style and how to apply this on your hair. So to spray your hair, just shake it up, and then it's like a light. Let me see if I can do this again. I don't know if you can see it. Dang, my drawers gonna be. And does it have a scent? No, it smells like hairspray, so it don't really have like a scent. I know some hairsprays smell like something, but no, this one doesn't have a scent. I know one time that it didn't work for me, but maybe it was because I didn't apply any heat to it. But anyway, I was on my way to Florida, and I was like, okay, my hair is straight. What can I do to give it some more life, some more body? And I didn't want to apply any heat to my hair, so I was like, okay, maybe I can try to pin curl my hair with just my fingers and this hairspray. Maybe it can hold as long as I got that curl with the, what did it say, setting, how my hair is set with me curling it with my fingers. Anyway, like I said before, I didn't want to use any heat on it. So So I'm like, okay. So I'm pin curling my hair up. And after when I pin curl all of my hair up, I applied this spray on it. So I'm like, okay, it's gonna last. I got a good amount on it. Didn't use too much. And what really got me feeling like this curl was gonna last because I slept overnight with these curls in. Left it in the morning. Left it when I was finished packing. Left it and I was traveling down the road. Just left it in for some long set of hours. I'm like, okay, this is gonna last. Ain't nothing gonna unravel these curls. I just had it securely in place. So when I got to the condo, I'm like, okay, it's time for me to unravel these curls. It only lasted for 5 minutes, and then it was misty outside. So yeah, that didn't work out too well. So I just ended up wearing my hair straight and different styles with it. My hair was colored, talking vibrant, bright colors. So this didn't wash the hairspray out at all. Well, this didn't wash the hairspray out. Dang, this hairspray did not wash the hair color out of my hair at all. There we go. I tend to talk a little bit fast. But yeah, this hairspray does work though when you have like curls, if you want to keep your waves in, or need setting spray or whatnot. I recommend using a spray. Like I said before, it doesn't leave my hair hard, it doesn't leave my hair crunchy. But yeah, and it's a level 2. So go ahead and try this Wella Professionals Stay Essential Light Crafting Hairspray.